Heel. 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 We're gonna teach your dog how to do that. Correction, teach you how to teach your dog how to do that. Guys, I do want to add, oh my goodness, that we started a cattle dog Facebook group, private Facebook group for cattle dog owners. There's mostly cattle dogs in there. If you don't have one and you want to join, you're more than welcome to. But talking about a lot of cool stuff, just kind of the unique things that cattle dogs bring to the table and how to successfully own one. A lot of experienced owners in there, a lot of new owners, so kind of helping each other out with this breed, making sure we give them the best lives possible. So I'll put the link for the Facebook group in the description below. If you guys want to join, go ahead, head on over, join. We'd love to have you. We are going to dive into as requested, the 3 tips on how I taught Cowboy how to heel. So let's do it. Excuse my dad socks. This is what my girlfriend calls dad socks, and she would probably be distraught that I'm posting a video to the internet wearing them. So sorry. So the first step to teaching your dog how to heel is basically what's called luring them with a treat. I can't tell if you guys can tell in the picture, but what's this? Give me 10. So you're basically going to use the treat to lure them into the heel position. I'm gonna kind of show you guys what that looks like. Good boy. And I have them go into that sit also. So, okay. And right now, in the beginning, you don't really necessarily need to be saying heel. You can if you want, but this is really just getting them used to sitting right when they're at your side. Good boy. Cowboy heel. Good boy. Super simple, guys. Leading them into that, you can teach it 2 ways. So you can have them go around the back of you over to that side, or you can have them turn and pivot on the same side. I think most people teach the turn and pivot on the same side. So yeah, first step, lure them into the position with a treat. It's kind of like a lot of our other training methods that we use. Once they understand the concept of it with the treat, that's when you can kind of get into more that's when you get into kind of more correction based, and then that's when like the technique really solidifies and they do it in pretty much any situation. Step number 2 in the teaching your dog how to heel process. Now we're basically just going to start to walk with them and say the command as they're with us, still keeping that treat and luring them kind of in the process. You only really want to go a short distance here. You'll be able to build this up later on, but we're going to start with a short distance, and then once you stop, have them go into that sit. So I'll kind of show you what that looks like. Leading with your left leg, heel. Good boy. Okay. Sit. Heel. Good boy. And that's kind of it, guys. You're gonna be practicing that for a little bit, and then you can slowly start to increase that distance that you're going, and just keeping that treat low with them, luring them, is what they call. And you'll see some dogs like kind of prance their front feet up. That's awesome. It means they're right there with you. Heel. Good boy. Middle. Down. Okay, guys, step 3 is really just practicing. Practice, and then you are going to get to the point where once they really understand what the concept means, you can call them into a heel from far away. Then you're going to want to start to do kind of more corrective stuff to really tune it in, make sure that they're not getting distracted and falling out of the heel and only doing it when they want. So that's going to be really important. You can use probably just a leash and a collar for that, and having that on them. I know I didn't have one on with Cowboy today, but I mean he knows this stuff pretty well. But so for that correction based training though, and really cementing it into their heads. You know, having a leash, if they start to deviate, you say no, call them back. You can keep using treats. But this is one of the commands that I really use treats probably longer than the others, just to really keep them kind of with you. You want to keep them right here up front with you. I don't even have anything. But it's pretty simple, guys. And then watch, stay. Come on, heel. Good boy. Heel. It's just such a cool command. Look at this. Down. I mean, doing that in person out in public, like, it's just cool. It's such a flex as a dog owner. So highly recommend putting the time in to teach this one. It does take a lot of practice and a lot of time, but it's a pretty simple concept. So let me know how you guys do with it. Make sure you guys hit like and subscribe as always. And I appreciate you watching the channel. We'll see you in the next video.